Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Vocabulary Learning Series, Lesson 2. So, in this class you will learn some another words to improve your vocabulary. I hope that you enjoyed and practiced previous lesson. If you did not watch our lesson 1, so, are you prepared for your second class? Let's start our lesson 2. See you soon.
Hello William, welcome to second class of Vocabulary Learning Series.
Hello teacher. Yes, I am ready and very excited.
That's good William. So, without wasting time, let's start our class.
Yes teacher.
So, our first word of today's class is abject. Abject means hopeless. William, will you tell me a sentence of abject?
Yes, of course. The poor surroundings caused abject misery.
Very good William. You are doing very well.
Thanks teacher.
Okay, so, our second word is abnegate. And its meaning is to reject. So, the sentence of Abnegate is, her abnegation of ice cream and cookies is due to her Olympic team training.
Okay teacher, I got it.
Good. Our third word is abortive. And its meaning is unsuccessful.
Teacher, its sentence is.
That's very good.
Thanks teacher.
Let's move towards our fourth word. And that is abridge. Meaning of abridge is to shorten. William, will you tell me sentence?
Sorry teacher, I don't know.
No problem William. Its sentence is, Ben had abridged the book by removing its boring parts.
Thanks teacher, now I will remember.
Okay William. Our fifth word is absolute. And its meaning is perfect. Well done William. You know the meaning. Now, tell me sentence.
My sentence is, he is an absolute sportsman.
Good. Now, our last word of today's class is absolve. And its meaning is declare free from punishment. Sentence of absolve is, he could be absolved of murder if he killed a man during archery practice.
Thank you teacher. I have added 6 words in my vocabulary today.
Good William. Now, that's all for today class. See you in next class. Goodbye.
Goodbye teacher.
So, welcome back guys. I hope you enjoyed the class. I advise you to practice these words before next class. See you in our next vocabulary learning class. Goodbye. And don't forget to like and share video. Subscribe to channel for more videos.